Percy and Toby were still asleep. Thomas suddenly remembered. Silly stick in the muds, he chuckled. I'll show them. Driver said I could manage without him. I'll just go out. Then I'll stop and whee! That'll make them jump. Thomas thought he was being clever. Really, he was only moving because a careless
Fast as fuck, boy.
with his control.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
He tried to
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
but he couldn't. He tried to stop, but he couldn't. He just kept rolling along. He didn't dare look at what was coming next. There was the station master's house. The station master was about to have breakfast.
Oh, shit!
Horrors! Cried Thomas and shut his eyes. The house rocked. Broken glass tinkled. Plaster was everywhere. Thomas had collected a bush on his travels. He peeked. The station master was furious. His wife picked up her plate. You miserable engine, she scolded.
Me
Just look what
want
you've done to
more
our breakfast.
Takis.
Now I shall have to cook some more. She banged the door. More plaster fell. This time it fell on Thomas. Thomas felt depressed. Workmen propped up the house with strong poles and laid rails through the garden. Meanwhile, Donald and Douglas arrived.
Oh, hello there!
One day, Thomas was in the yard. Suddenly, he heard an engine whistling. Help! Help! The footsteps were rushing through much too fast. The engine was James, and he was frightened. His brake blocks were on fire. They're pushing me, he panted. On, laughed the trucks. Still whistling, help, help! Poor James disappeared. I'd like to teach those trucks a lesson, said Thomas the Tank Engine. Soon came the alarm.
Get
James is off
over
the line.
here!
The breakdown train, quickly! Thomas was coupled on, and off they went. Worked his hurry.